Good afternoon, students. In the lecture, we will cover the classification of natural products. Classification of natural products is further divided into four categories on the basis of their chemical structure, based on their biogenesis, based on their physiological activity, and based on their taxonomy. So, what are natural products? These are the basically the secondary metabolites that are extracted from the plants. What is classification of natural products? Class based on their chemical structure, that is how they look like, what is their chemical structure. They are aliphatic, acyclic, aromatic and heterocyclic. Aliphatic or non-aliphatic fatty compounds of open chains like fatty acids, sugars and great amount of amino acids. Acyclic or cycloaliphatic compounds are terpenoids, steroids and alkaloids. ये तीनों जो secondary metabolites are, they are acyclic in nature. Aromatic or benzoic compounds like phenol and quinones, these are again natural products. They are aromatic in nature. Heterocyclic alkaloids, flavonoids and nucleic acid bases are heterocyclic in nature. So these are the different structures and their classification. Based on the physiological activity, that is one half of the medicines are today are natural products like alkaloids, antibiotic or synthetic alternatives. So usually they can be used as hormones, vitamins, antibiotics and mycotoxins. So natural products की classification on the basis of taxonomy, on based on morphological studies of plants or plant taxonomy, and then is the based on their biogenesis. Three known major routes that enable key biosynthesis of different types of natural products is, what are different biogenesis means the different routes by which these secondary metabolites can be prepared. Mevalonic acid route, shikimic acid route and acetate malonate route. What is mevalonic acid route? Mevalonic acid route is, from it prenyl units are formed, means successive links they lead to isoprenoids. So terpenoids, steroids and carotenoids are prepared with the help of mevalonic acid route. Shikimic acid route means amino acids are formed and from them other aromatic compounds formed like phenyl, propionides, flavonoids and alkaloids are prepared by shikimic acid route. Acetate malonate route, also known as polyketide route, these are formed by polyketides and fatty acids are formed. So these are the routes of production of the natural products. So what are natural products? Natural products are basically the secondary metabolites that had some medicinal value or some aromatic values, and they can be on the basis of different forms can be classified. Thank you.